We'll show all the other videos. And if you just want to record something, just hit
Hi.
Say hey, Brooks.
Doing?
Say hey.
Hey, what you doing? Why are you playing with that?
I'm gonna video you in just a second, okay?
Cheese.
What's your name, Brooks?
That
How old are you?
5.
You're not 5. How old are you?
3.
3. There you go.
Hi, I'm Dawson, and my name, and I am 5. I like to play video games. They're so awesome.
What else do you like to do?
a lean football machine.
I like to play football, play basketball, and play sports.
Yeah? How many touchdowns did you score in your last football game?
3.
How many football touchdowns did you score in your last football game, Pops?
None.
How old are you, Mark?
31.
31. Old. Damn, that's old.
That's old.